We are Wandered, a company born right here on Kickstarter with your help 5 years ago. We started as two brothers with a simple idea: to create a camera bag that was both incredibly functional and drop-dead sexy, not one or the other. That simple idea has guided us as we've grown and continued to design gear for travelers, photographers, and creators all around the world. Our newest creation is the FERNWEH, an adventure backpack expertly built for reaching places you've never been. It pushes the boundaries of comfort, access, and versatility, no matter where you take it. No two bodies are the same, so we've designed a 6-point adjustment system that gives you complete control over how the bag fits to your body. The FERNWEH is available in 2 frame sizes, 2 sizes of shoulder straps, and 2 sizes of waist belt. Not only are the waist and shoulder straps fully removable and interchangeable, but you can also adjust the shoulder strap height up and down with 3 different settings to perfectly fit your torso and body shape. With a bag this comfortable, you'll be able to log more miles, stay out longer, and see more of the places that you've always wanted to go. 4 unique access points into the main compartment of the FERNWEH ensure that your gear is always handy when you need it. With the top loading, front clamshell, and back clamshell access, your bag doesn't turn into a black hole like most other bags, and makes packing simple, easy, and accessible. The quick draw side access gives you instant access to your camera, so you never miss a shot. For you photographers and videographers, the FERNWEH integrates with our existing camera cube protection system and is completely customizable. These cubes can easily be transferred between our bags and also work perfectly as a standalone carry solution. Along with the existing camera cubes, we've also designed 2 new deep sizes that accommodate larger camera bodies and equipment. So, whether you're carrying a mirrorless or cinema camera, we've got you covered. Along with the FERNWEH, we're also releasing the all-new, all-sexy Route Pack. It's a versatile chest carry protection system that is weatherproof and dustproof and gives you instant access to your camera while on the go. It expands to accommodate telephoto lenses and includes a shoulder strap for standalone carry. The organization built into the FERNWEH not only makes the bag highly functional, it also makes it extremely versatile. Whether you're trekking in the Himalayas, hostel hopping through Europe, or backcountry skiing in your own backyard, the FERNWEH can do it all. A bucket system creates clean and useful organization. It is accessible from both the top and the front clamshell opening and is completely removable. A uniquely designed hydration sleeve is separated by a waterproof liner so your camera gear stays dry no matter what. Attachment points on the top, front, bottom, and sides of the bag integrate with our accessory straps for unlimited and versatile external carry. The FERNWEH also includes a zippered, oversized water bottle pocket that doubles as a great catch-all, an internal and external top organization pocket, sleeping bag carry, a dedicated rainfly pocket, a hidden passport and cash pocket, a padded laptop sleeve, 4 grab handles, and a luggage pass-through. With a lightweight 420D ripstop fabric with a durable, water-based PU coating, breathable mesh touch points, and YKK zippers, this bag was designed to withstand the elements. As with all of our products, the FERNWEH was built to last a lifetime, and we've got our Wander More, Worry Less lifetime guarantee to back it up. Click the button below to back this campaign and get the bag for reaching places you've never been.